Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Princess. This is my daughter Brooklyn. Welcome, and thank you guys so much for joining me. We are at the Coach outlet. It's Coach drop day. Yeah, I gotta be careful because this ground is slippery. Okay, if I fall in this video, I might keep it in there so y'all glad. Anyways, we are headed to see what's new at Coach. I have on my denim and red in honor of the Coach drop. And today I'm wearing my Coach Rowan. I know I told one of y'all that I was getting out of this bag, and I did. I got out of it, but I got back in it this morning. It's so cute though, like where the snow is. It's so pretty. And then, you know, this is the outside mall too. But, oh Lord, it's just slippery. Hold on, let me get off the ice. Okay, so right here is no ice. And honestly, the highways were great leading here. It took me about 30 minutes to get here. My husband drove, of course. And but yeah, it's good. It was good as far as the highways. The side roads are still really slippery and bad, but the highways getting here was perfect. But yeah, let's go up in there. So excited. Are you excited to see what's new? Alright, you guys, starting off with these wallets. They have the black denim with the silver, and then you have the blue denim. Now with these signature print denim wallets, these are going for $65 or $69. Do not quote me on the exact price. I know it's between $65 and $69 from what I remember. I love these because of the ID window in it. Super cute. I do want to add this to my collection. And then you have the beautiful Nolita 19s. Oh my gosh, when I say these are so cute. I love the black denim on these. And then I don't know what color that is on the tag, but I love this so much. It's so much better in person. Highly recommend, if you have a local Coach outlet near you, to go check it out in person before judging. Okay, you guys, especially the blue denim. The blue denim turned out to be so cute to me, and I'm so happy that I made the decision on the items that I got, because this color, yes. Then you have the newspaper Nolitas, super cute. And I was surprised with the pricing, y'all. They must have been here and I cried, because it's $109 today. Okay, so jump on it while it's $109, okay? But yeah, the newspaper, they have different prints, as you can see. We have the red denim, baby. Y'all sold this out immediately, okay? Immediately online. I was like, what? Now this stone color surprised me, and I was looking for the SLGs for this one, because I was thinking you guys could compare this one with the stone Rowans and have like the SLGs for it, but I didn't see it. But that terry was super cute. I do like that one. I believe it's $199. And then of course you have the denim terry. The denim terry is so cute, so cute. I'm not a terry girl. I'm a terry hobo girl, and my mama got that one, so if I need it, I could just borrow hers. Then you have the red denim. I'm putting it in better lighting for you so you can get a good look at it. Super cute. Okay, the silver girlies are having their moment in 2026. Then you have these charms, you guys. I am so excited about these cutesy little charms. And the color of this denim, the light wash. Yeah, I am a light wash denim girl. When I say my closet is full of light wash denim, I have like 2 pairs of jeans that are like dark wash, and everything else is light wash. Like everything, including my dresses and shirts and everything, as far as my denim clothes. I love denim. And then we have the hearts, y'all. When I say I thought we was not getting the denim hearts in store, and we did. The denim hearts are so freaking cute. I have to go back and pick this one up. Not gonna even lie, spoiler alert, I did not get any of the heart charms, and I do want this denim one. If somebody want to gift it for me, y'all can. But yeah, we have the Carmen. Y'all, this Carmen is so cute. Now, I'm not a Carmen fan as far as the shape, but this charm is the cutest with that with that tassel, and then we have the Nolita 19 one, or like the Nolita ones, and then you had the other red hearts. Like, I thought these charms are just so adorable. They're $75 each, by the way. And then you have this beautiful bag here. Oh, I always forget this name of this bag. I'm gonna put it on the screen. It's $229. I was so surprised with all these prices. I'm not going to even lie to you. I was so shocked that these prices were the price, like, not upping the price on them. Like, they're so good. I hope you guys were able to get whatever you wanted on this drop. And it's so good on my arm. Now, will I pick this bag up? Not likely, because of the fact that clasp on it, I just can't get with it. I don't like it. Had to go back to the front because I miss these Carmens, the newspaper one. Like I said, I'm not a fan of this shape of or the style of this bag, but it is so cute with the newspaper. I am just, and I didn't even notice that it had the tassel on it until I had saw the Carmen, the mini charm, and then I noticed it on the bag too. But all of the bags, you can see it all has the newspaper. I just think this newspaper line is so cool. And then of course you have the black denim one, and I believe this one has the tassel. I think the tassel, the color of the tassel on this, it just makes the bag stand out to me. And I like the interchangeable, that it's like you can hold it as a top handle and you can hold it as a crossbody. But yeah, these are some items that they had from the last drop. You have all the mini Rowans. I was hoping that the rainbow Rowan would be on sale, but it's not. But it did go down in price, so that's a good thing. If you guys are interested in it, they do have that one. But I'm trying to see if it's going to drop the price a little bit more before I get that one, because it is on my radar. And then, of course, you got the stone bags. I was telling somebody recently about this bag, and it's super cute. $179 for the regular price. And I believe it's $199 or I think it's $199 for the large, but that's the medium size right here. My wristlet girlies come to the front. The large wristlet is also in this denim signature print. Super cute. I know you guys are saying y'all may pass this one up. I don't think that's a good thing, y'all. If you want a denim, get it. It's so cute in person. I'm not telling you this to just gas you. I'm serious. Like, I really think they're so much better when you see them in person. Then you have, I would say, Auntie Faye. That is not Auntie Faye. This is $169, and this is the mini face. I don't know why I want to call it Auntie Faye, but they're so cute. I do love this style bag, and I'm gonna show you guys at the end of this video another version of this bag in the denim, and I thought was so cute. They got the red denim. Of course, you see that suede in the back. Got the chalk color. Like I said, they're $169. And I think I mentioned this already. This is the backpack. I think this backpack is so cute. I keep saying I want to put a backpack in my collection, but I haven't had one that made me want to pull the trigger yet. So hopefully in 2026 I'll add a backpack to my collection, whether that's from the retail or the outlet. When I say Coach be having items just hiding, because I did not see this when I passed through here the first time, and it's the denim red and the double zip wristlets. I think these are so cute. I don't have these in my collection just yet, but I feel like if they had brought it out in that blue denim, I think I would have picked it up. But you have the large wristlets, which is $45. That one is the newspaper one, and then she was showing me this Faye. I had already seen Auntie Faye already, but she was showing me Auntie Faye. Auntie Faye cute, okay? We're going to just call her Auntie Faye. She Lil Faye, because Auntie is the big one, so she Lil Faye. She Lil Faye Faye. And then I had already showed you guys this one as well. It's super cute. My daughter was saying she liked these. Y'all remember the name of these? I forgot the name of these, but my daughter liked it, and I was surprised that she liked a big bag like that. It kind of reminded me of the Brooklyn bag. But let me show you guys on the inside of this, because I was telling y'all earlier, I do like the inside of this bag. I don't like the clasp. Like, it just, I don't like that. I don't know. But I do like how spacious it is on the inside of this bag. So yeah, if you guys are interested in it, it is, I think, they said $229. I would say $226. $229 for that one. Then you have the Hadley. Y'all sold this booger out online. It was $199, and y'all sold her out immediately. Okay, some of them bags I was like, y'all really selling these out, or is they not just, they haven't posted yet? Because what, $139 for the small one. It's cute. I'm not knocking it. It's cute. Now you have this cutie here, which is, I can't remember the name of it, but it's a wallet, of course, going for $69. I'll wait till it go down. Now you have the Elodie bag. This is cute, y'all. I had to put her on my arm because I was like, did I make the wrong decision or not? Because she cute. She 189. I had already had, like, this one is already like on my radar because it just give all the vibes to me. I love the chain, but I don't know. I didn't add it. This is not one of the ones that I picked up as far as like buying, but I think it's super cute, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on my arm because she's cute, and she honestly do believe need to be in my closet, but probably not in a denim, maybe in a leather one. But I like it. I really do. I like the style of the bag and how it fits under the arm and the drop on it. I love that you can do a crossbody with it. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. Okay, it's cute. I think I wear these jeans most, like, at least 50,000 times a year. I've been having these jeans for 3 years now. I have other cutesy light wash denim at home, but yeah, that's a cute bag. And then we're gonna move on. They still have the Rainbow City tote, like it's a couple of them left here. They're going for $179 now instead of $199 like when they first came out. A lot of stuff kind of went on sale. The only thing that didn't go on sale is the oh, look at the Jamie, y'all, so cute. The only thing that didn't go on sale was the Rowan. That's the one I wanted, the Rainbow Rowan. I really want that to go on sale. But here you go, right here, the Gray Mercy. Is that what it's called? Am I lying, y'all? The station tote. I had that last time. It's the station tote. $179. Too good. So cute. All right, y'all. So this is the 70% off sale. We have these items here. Oh, you know what? If these shoes are 70% off, I need to get some for my... So I saw these. I keep wanting to call them trail bags, but they're cosmetic bags. Super cute. They did not have the denim out, and I asked them about it, and they brought it out and showed me, and it was so cute. And then I went by the charms to see what they had left with the charms, and all of these were out. I'm thinking about getting those little bear charms because I think they're going on sale. Okay, y'all, here goes the denim. She brought it out. They're so freaking cute. I love the denim one. Now this is me when it comes to the cosmetic bags. This was calling my name. This was saying, bring me home, put me in your closet, you need me. So happy about that. Then I saw the red what are these called? I was trying to match the red card case to my bag. Then they brought this out to me because I was like, where is this at and where is this at? So they just started bringing stuff out from the bag. I'm like, baby, I'm up here working and doing the floor at this point. Like, I'm trying to make sure all the stuff is out for y'all. Just call me Miss P. Okay, Miss PA Coach. Period. But yes, okay, so you have, I didn't show you guys, these are the wristlets with the embroidery. I love the embroidery because I have boys and my son he loves space. We've been to NASA in Houston thousands of times, and then I fell in love with this one. When I first saw this one, this is the one that I wanted. I chose the plain one the first time because I didn't think they was going to get this one in store. When I looked online last night, I saw it and I was like, yep, I'm gonna trade mine out because this is me going to the front trying to pick out what I'm gonna get, what I'm not gonna get based on everything that I held to the side. And y'all gotta wait to see what I ended up getting. I just want to show y'all what's in store right now. And then of course I had to go back and see what they had still left outside of what's new, just to show you guys what's there, just in case it's sold out online but you still want it and it's in store. This is the Grand Prairie location, you guys, so just give them a call and they can hold it for you or have it sent to you. I was telling you guys on this part that this charm right here is on sale. I really wanted that charm when it first came out. I don't know why I won't just pull the trigger. They got plenty of them in store. I need to go ahead and just grab me one. I keep telling myself I'm gonna get this taxi. It'll match my bag where I'm wearing today, but unfortunately I did not pick that up neither. I want that to go on sale too. Okay, here's more charms. Dinosaur. They have the cutest charms at this location, like at the retail. And then you have the pink, the rabbit. Y'all, that's gonna come in handy. Easter's around the corner. Moving on to the men's section, you guys, you know I cannot leave my men's section out. I have guys on here that's watching my videos, and I know y'all want to see what's out there at Coach too. Now I don't know the name of this bag, but I heard the guys on TikTok talking about this, so apparently it's a good bag. Okay, it's $199. It comes in 2 different colors, this denim, and I think it's a good unisex bag because I can see myself wearing it at the airport. Okay, then you have this bag, don't know the name of it, $149. Super cute. I love newspaper. Love the newspaper, and I feel like that's so good. And then here go more new things. And this is where I found these card cases. And I was like, wait a minute, I need this one. Okay, I saw this online and I did not see it over there in the women's section, and they had it over in the men's section. So I guess it's a men's card, but I like it. And then you have these bags here. The pricing is on the tags there. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm trying to move fast on getting through this video and editing and getting it out to you guys. But yeah, I don't know the name of the men's items. I need to start doing some research and doing more research on the men items. That's what I need to start doing. Okay, put in the comment section if you're a guy and you're watching my channel and you want to see more men items. Put some black hearts in the comment section so I know that if you are a guy watching my channel. And thank you guys so much. Okay, good. But yeah, so I was conflicted because I was like, this is $99 and on the other side is $119. Now some of their items, I will say this, they had to come and change the price on it while I was talking, because I was like, is this the price? They're like, no. And then they put the price up there, so that may not be the price. So go online, I don't know. I don't know about that particular item. Now this was one of those items. These sandals are not $39. These sandals, she came and changed the price. They're actually $119. As you can see, she went there and she was like, oh, sorry. I mean, actually, they're $95. I'm sorry. I was in the wrong place. But I was trying to figure out if I wanted this bag because you guys sold it out online. And then they brought out these shoes. I thought these were so cute. They actually look like Love Denim, but they're not. They're just regular denim. But they look like Love Denim. So I feel like they could actually they can pass for a Love Denim look. So if you got like this style, they're super cute. And then me, y'all know me, I like this style. They're $119. The Soho tennis, the sneakers over there are $179, I believe. And then these are $119, y'all. I was so close to getting these, and I think I am going to still get them, but I just don't feel like right now was the right time. I hope they stay in stock and go on sale. That's what I hope. But they're so cute, and I do think I want these in my collection as far as a Coach shoe, because it's just so cute. So cute. All right, moving on, y'all. I gotta check out. Let's figure out what I'm going to get. All right, you guys, now that's a wrap. I got my items. I'm super excited. Stay tuned for what I ended up picking up. Thank you so much for making it to this part of the video. If you made it to this part, go ahead and put some hearts in the comment section. It could be any color heart, because it's all love over here, sis. It's all love over here, bro. Subscribe to my channel. Press the bell so you know when more videos like this is posted, and like this video so YouTube will know that you like videos like this one, and they'll send more people like you my way. Shout out to my baby, because she did this right here when she was recording this. And then one more thing, y'all, hype my video up, hype me up so YouTube can send more people like you my way. Bye, y'all. No matter what the people say.